This is the elevator going up to the showroom here at IKEA in Orlando. I really hope it's working. Once again, this is an absolutely huge elevator. Oh my God. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Let's go up to 1. Capacity is 12,000 pounds. Here we are at 1. There's the labyrinth that is IKEA. Door closes when we push the button. Look at these huge doors. This is double hospital size by far. Okay, let's go with the 1. Maybe it'll do it. I want it to do it. There we go. That wasn't so hard. Now let's stand at the back wall and watch it go up. There it goes. Once again, they're letting us know this is the showroom elevator, not the elevator to go to the exit. That's it.